Yo guys, right now we're just coming for the place for rest a little because they're so hard to roll, like and the bike's so freaking hard to go up.
This is where the rock was. Look at down this area. It looks so nice.
Yeah, this is the water. And this is
The rocks.
no, I mean this is the place from where we're coming here. You see? It's like a long way. So there's water road.
It's like super steep.
So we're now gonna drink some cola and then going more to waterfall.
Yep.
Like,
So make sure to subscribe and like, but you don't have to, but it will help us. All right. See you later, guys.